In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a progressive bar and countdown animation like this. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure your video is ready. For me, this is my video that I want to apply the animation progressive bar to it, so I'll just click the video and drag to my timeline. Next, what you want to do is to decide where you want the animation progressive bar to start and where you want it to end. For me, I want it to start at the very beginning of this layer, so I'll move the playhead to the beginning. The next thing is to freeze the frame. Why I am freezing the frame is to make the animation bar to start before the main video. So go ahead, come to this option, click on freeze. As you can see, if I play it, you see the video will not play until the main video, right? So this is what freeze does. Now extend this freeze duration to the duration where you want the animation to end. For me, I will just leave it so somewhere maybe 10 seconds. You can choose anywhere you want where you want the animation to end. You can choose anytime you want. For me, I'll just leave it at the 10 seconds mark. Alright, if you look at here, you see it 10 seconds. So this is where my animation progressive bar will start, and this is where it will end before the main video. So this is why I freeze this part, right? So keep in mind that the longer you move this, the longer your animation will last. Next, go to text, add a default text, and come to this box here. Let's change the default text to something else. Let's type underscore. Right here, this is an underscore. Do you know what underscore means? Underscore is a kind of line that you find on your keyboard. To locate it, just go to your keyboard. After the number 0 on your keyboard, the next key is your underscore. This is underscore. I have typed it here on this bar, and if you look at the screen, you see it here. This is underscore. So we are going to make it to be bigger, and that will be our progressive bar. To do that, scroll down to uniform scale right here. Right now the uniform scale is turned on. Let's turn it off. Next, to make this underscore look bigger, we need to increase the scale width and the scale height. So type something like 1300 here. As you can see, the width has been increased. Now go to the height, type something like 130. Now as you can also see, the height has been increased. So this is what I want. If you want something to be bigger than this, you can continue to increase it to your liking. But for me, I'm okay with the size. I want it to look thinner. When it is thinner, it makes it to look very attractive. So you can move this anywhere on the screen where you want it to be. You can put it here, 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 you can put it at the middle or the center of the video. You can even rotate it like this and put it at the corner or at the right. For me, I will just leave it as somewhere here. Alright, so let's come down to the timeline. Let's move the text to match this freeze frame here. Right. You can go back to this plane here. If you come to this option that says color, you see that this is white color. You can change it to any color you want. You can put green, you can put red. For me, I will just leave it at white. To make it look fancy, you can add a glue effect to this line here, this layer. So let's come to glue. You can go down, go all the way down, and go all the way down until you find the glue option. Check it. You can choose any one out of these two. I will choose this one. Then I will put the intensity to somewhere 25. Then I'll put the range to somewhere 60. Alright, so the purpose of this glow is just optional, just to make it look catchy and engaging. Next, we want to duplicate this layer here. So what I will do, I will press and hold Alt key on my keyboard, then I'll move the mouse upward. This is a simple way to duplicate a clip. Alright, so you can see both clip has been duplicated. This bottom one is the original one, while this is the one I have duplicated. For the bottom one, you can see that both of them have the same color, which is white. So I want it to be of contrasting color. So this bottom one, I will leave it at white. Then the top, I will change it to something different so that it will look contrasting, right? And I will choose a very bright color. So to do that, select the top one, then go to color, remove it from white. So I will choose something like blue. I want this color because I want a bright color, something that is bright. Now you can see that this top layer is blue and this bottom one is white. You can find it here, not here. Just look at this plane here, white. Just look at this plane here, blue, which is the top one, then white, which is the bottom one. Also, don't forget that we add a glow effect to both of them, but I want to remove the glow effect at only the top one. So I'll just go down, go to glow, now remove it. So the glow effect is only applicable at the bottom one here, you can see it here, but for the top you won't find it. This is actually what I want. Next, we want to add animation to this layer here, and to do that we need to create a compound clip for this layer specifically. So go to this layer, click on it, right click, then click on create compound clip. Make sure that the top layer is still selected. Go to the video category. Now let's add mask. Click on add mask, select the split option. Rotate the mask to your left and make sure that it is on a straight line like this. Next, move this mask to the start of the bar, just like this. Move it to the beginning and make sure your playhead is at this beginning as well. So let's add keyframe. Take note, under mask setting you see this option that says keyframe. Click on it. Now move this playhead to the end of this layer here. After that, move this mask to the end of the bar, just like this. You will get something like this. Right, so let's just leave it this way. So now that we have created the animation bar, we want to add the countdown to it in the next few minutes. We are going to create the countdown animation in ChatGPT. So what I will do, get something like this, create a downloadable SRT file for a countdown from 100% to 0% in 10 seconds. So I will copy this, then I will take it to ChatGPT and download it. This is ChatGPT. I've already copy and paste it, then it gave me the file here, which is this. I'll click on it and download it. Alright, this is the downloaded file here. You can see it here, countdown 100 to 0, 10 seconds SRT file. Next, go back to Capcut here, go to test. This time, instead of clicking default test, click on local caption, then click on imports. Let's go to the download. This is the download file here, then open it, drag to the timeline. As you can see, it is here. By default, it is white in color. You can actually go here and change it to any color that you want. For me, I like the green color. I will just put it at green. Then I can set the background to white, so you can do it any way to the way you want. After that, drag it to the position you want it to be. For me, I will put it at this top here. You can come here and increase the font size to the way you want it. So for me, I will just leave the text size to around 6. And that is it. You have successfully created the animation progressive bar. Alright guys, so you can see that the animation begin before the main video actually begin because of I freeze the first frame of the main video, and that is why it gives me something like this before the main video begin. Alright guys, so this is how we come to the end of today's video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Yeah, on this channel we master skills like this that you can monetize and start earning from it. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.